Putol sa leading race, followed very closely by John Laguna. And then the easy installation on the paper and start
30 seconds.
Lead swimmer, last 150 meters. Lead swimmer, last 150 meters of swim. Popsy. Sir,
15 seconds.
natawag po ako.
Okay, kids, you can jump in the warm-up pool again. Kids, you can go in the warm-up pool. Lifeguards, please. Warm-up pool. Wave 2 is in the water.
Go!
Wave 2 is in the water. Wave 2 is in the water. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tuloy-tuloy na po. So, be on